天文台喺中午12點20分發出3號強風信號，並表示至少維持到今晚10點。根據現時預測，麥德姆會逐步增強並移向雷州半島一帶。隨住佢靠近，本港風勢正逐漸增強，而同佢相關嘅狂風驟雨正影響南海北部。隨後會視乎強烈熱帶風暴麥德姆嘅強度、佢嘅烈風區同珠江口嘅距離，以及本地風力變化，評估係咪需要改發更高熱帶氣旋警告信號。
The observatory issued the strong wind signal number 3 at 12:20 in the afternoon, which will remain in force at least until 10 p.m. tonight. According to the present forecast, Matmo will intensify progressively and move towards the vicinity of Leizhou Peninsula. With Matmo edging closer, local winds are strengthening gradually. Meanwhile, squally showers associated with Matmo are affecting the northern part of the South China Sea. Depending on the intensity of severe tropical storm Matmo, its distance from the Pearl River estuary, and the change in local wind conditions, the observatory will then assess the need of issuing high tropical cyclone warning signals.
3號強風信號現正生效，強烈熱帶風暴麥德姆已經增強為颱風。喺傍晚6點，麥德姆集結喺香港以南大約410公里，即係喺北緯18.6度、東經114.5度附近。預料向西北偏西移動，時速大約25公里，橫過南海北部。過去幾個鐘，麥德姆繼續穩定地移向雷州半島一帶。隨住麥德姆靠近，本港多處吹強風，離岸同高地間中吹烈風。3號強風信號會至少維持至到今晚10點。隨後天文台會視乎麥德姆嘅強度、佢嘅烈風區同珠江口嘅距離，以及本地風力變化，評估係咪需要改發更高熱帶氣旋警告信號。預料本港今晚至到聽日初時間中有狂風驟雨同雷暴，海有大浪及湧浪，市民請遠離岸邊同停止水上活動。
The strong wind signal number 3 is in force. Severe tropical storm Matmo has intensified into a typhoon. At 6 p.m., Matmo was estimated to be about 410 kilometers south of Hong Kong, which is near 18.6 degrees north, 114.5 degrees east, and is forecast to move west-northwest, at about 25 kilometers per hour, crossing the northern part of the South China Sea. In the past few hours, Matmo continued to move steadily towards the vicinity of Leizhou Peninsula. With Matmo edging closer, local winds were strong over many places, with occasional gales offshore and on high ground. The strong wind signal, number 3, will remain in force, at least until 10 p.m. tonight. The observatory will then assess the need for issuance of higher tropical cyclone warning signals, depending on Matmo's intensity, the distance of its gale force winds from the Pearl River estuary, and the change in local wind conditions. Locally, there will be occasional squally showers and thunderstorms tonight, to at first tomorrow. Seas will be rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline, and not to engage in water sports.